Hi everyone, welcome back to Wise Words Wednesday. I'm Jamie, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to talk about communication with the global supply chain. It's a sensitive, touchy subject, admittedly, because many of you come in with the expectation that you are going to be part of those conversations. And I've got to be perfectly honest with you, you're not. Our job is to manage the vendors. Experts need to manage the experts. I can't count on the fingers that I have and the toes that I have the number of times that I have fielded a new biz inquiry about someone who was just throwing their hands up in the air out of frustration because they had such poor communication from their vendor. Now, I can't explain everybody else's experiences. I can't talk about the fact that you chose to work off of Alibaba to find this cheap and cheerful vendor who could get you 7 khaki pants at some obscene dollar amount. That's not the conversation. The conversation is, how do we facilitate and implement the communication that best manages the supply chain and ensures clarity so that the outcome is exactly what we've all expected, which is great product, high performing fabrications and trims, and hopefully on-time delivery with the least amount of bumps in the road. So all I can say is we're here to collaborate with you, but we also need to be left alone to do our job, which I know we're great at. And yet another reason why you're reaching out to us, because you can't do this. You don't have the facilities to manage this level of operation and logistics and detail and supply chain and freight and duty and all of the bells and whistles that go into product development and production around the world. If you expect to be part of the conversations on a daily basis with the global supply chain, then we're not the right partner for you. We have lines of demarcation of what our function is versus how we deliver our services to you. But if you can take a step back, allow us to shine and thrive and to deliver on our promise of execution, which at the same time enables you to thrive in what your expertise is, then this is going to be a beautiful partnership. Too many cooks in the kitchen spoil the stew, and there's enough nonsense that goes on in manufacturing for us to have to deal with on a daily basis. Just know we're always here for you. We're always at high level communication levels, and that nothing will be done without your consent and your involvement. I'm happy to talk more about this should you need extra clarity for those of you out there that are scratching your heads right now. All good. Either way, thank you so much for watching, and as always, please follow us on fabrictofinish.com for all the information that you might need, and please check out our YouTube channel, which does break down all of these Wise Words Wednesday series so that you can be very much in the know and what to expect when getting into this. Thank you so much for watching.